There's one. Where'd it go? There it is. It's little. Moved out of that little wash area and now they're just everywhere. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's just pretty. That's down there somewhere in those bushes. Just pretty. No words, just pretty. Still out by Saddle Mountain here in Arizona. There's a power plant over there. He's down collecting sand so he can pan it out later. There's the power plant over there. Or that's the nuclear power plant.
My arms give out there.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, the bottom of it's green. It's going to take a lot of work to get it out. But we got it.
Yeah.
You may have to work on it at home with a little chisel or something.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Well, that about wraps up our rock hunting. Found some treasures. Lots of cyanite, or I think that's what it is. And firestone.